Welcome to Select Sapoe Auto Vending Machine. In order to let you thoroughly enjoy the fun blocked by our coffee machine, please follow me to get to know about the instructions on how to use it properly. On top of the machine, there's smart water cabinet cover or ordinary water cabinet cover. The water could be injected by your own water injection system or the water bottle and water pump. The front of the machine are drink button, spare button, the light of working, the light of heating, the light of no water paper cup outlet on the front of the machine. There are the fan, drain pipe, power line, and fuse. While you open the shutter of the machine, you could find that inside the machine there are water bucket, raw material bucket, material blender, drink outlet, switch for basic setting, button for cleaning, button for preventing the humidity and water receptacle. Plug in a special socket and turn on the power switch of the machine. Take out the raw material bucket and open the cover. Keep the material outlet up. Feed the material, then cover the material bucket. Please note, the material swivel shall be connected with the rotary axis of inner steering motor properly, and the jut at the bottom of material bucket shall be fixed to the fixed hole of chassis base. At last, roll the material outlet downward 180 degrees and aligning the center of funnel, and here the fitting is over. There are 3 material buckets A, B, and C to be selected inside. There are different materials in the different buckets, thus 3 different tastes of drink could be made. Basic setting. Turn on the basic setting button. Adjustment of taste and water quantity. Press the mode button once to set material outlet quantity of bucket A. The display shows the default value A2.5. Then press the up or down button to adjust the outlet quantity. Adjust the outlet quantity of material bucket B. Press the Drink To button on the front of the machine store. Then press the down or up button on the display panel on the back of door. Adjust the outlet quantity of material bucket C. Press the Drink 3 button on the front of machine store. Then press the down or up button on the display panel on the back of door. Press the Drink 1 button to adjust the water outlet quantity of material A. The display shows the default value N5.5. Then press the down or up button on the back of machine store to adjust water outlet quantity of bucket A. Press the Drink 2 button to adjust the water outlet quantity of material bucket B. Then press the down or up button to adjust. Press the Drink 3 button to adjust the water outlet quantity of material bucket C. Then press the down or up button to adjust. Press the mode button twice. The display shows 000. It is the sales quantity of material A. Press the Drink 2 and Drink 3 button on the front of the machine. The display on the back shows the sales quantity of material B and material C. Press the mode button 3 times to adjust water temperature. The default value is 95 Celsius degree. The down or up button can be adjusted to water temperature high or low. The max is 98 Celsius degree and the min is 68 Celsius degree. Press the down button until it shows off. The machine do not heat again. Switch off. The basic setting after all is be set. The machine automatically saves the setting parameter. Lock the door, ready for use. When the light of working turn green, press the drink button and you can take out the drink and enjoy it.